I'm sure you've heard the news. Falcons are speed demons. But what else makes them so awesome? Let's dive in. Falcons aren't just fast, they're precision hunters with super sharp eyesight. Spotting prey from over a mile away, easy. And when they dive, called a stoop, they hit speeds over 200 miles per hour. Their pointed wings slice the air, letting them twist and turn mid-flight like aerial acrobats. Falcons usually hunt solo, snatching birds mid-air with their powerful talons. But they're also family birds. Both parents care for the chicks, feeding them until they're ready to soar. There are over 40 falcon species, from the tiny American kestrel to the mighty peregrine. Next time you look up, remember, if you see a flash in the sky, it just might be a falcon on the hunt.